Standard 9, welcome back in exercise 3.6 polynomials. This is lecture number 10. In ninth lecture, we have seen question number 1 of factorization. This question number 2, that is also factorize the following. Factorize. This is somewhat different factorization. X square minus x bracket square minus 8 into x square minus x plus 12. This type of the question, this x square its square, so that's why it is called as the double quadratic equation. This is quadratic and again this is quadratic, so double quadratic. So that is equal to this and this is same. We will put for x square minus x something. So this, if I put m, this is m its square, m square minus 8, this is m plus 12. Here we will give the reason, put x square minus x equal to m. So that is equal to. Now this has become our simple quadratic equation. Find the factors of 12 such that their addition is 8. And that addition should be minus 8. So 12 is equal to 6 into 2. I want to add them because here it is plus sign. Plus sign means I have to add them. 6 plus 2 will be 8. But that addition should be minus 8. So minus 6 and minus 2, that will be minus 8. This is my work. So that is equal to m square minus, this is 8m. So this I will put as 6m minus 2m plus 12. Hope that you have understood this. So this is equal to, now I will make the groups. What is common? M is common. It is m into m. This is 6 into m. M is taken, m will remain. Minus. M is taken, 6 will remain. Now minus 2 is taken out. So m minus is taken common. So this will become minus. 2 6 are 12. This is 12 means 6 into 2. Out of that 2 is taken, 6 will remain. Again this 2 is same. So that is equal to m minus 6 into another bracket m minus 2. But what is meant by m? M means x square minus x. That is equal to x square minus x, m means. See here. And this minus 6. Now this is m means x square minus x minus 2. Okay. Now can I factorize this? I will have to check it. So this I will keep, here I will give the reason, put m is equal to x square minus x. And this is our 1. Why 1? I will factorize this and put this again. Now consider x square minus x minus x minus 6 minus x minus 6. This is equal to, find the factors of 6 such that their subtraction is 1. 6 factors. 6 factors are 6 is equal to 3 into 2. Subtraction I want to do means one should have the plus sign, other should have the minus sign. So bigger I will give minus 3 and the smaller I will give plus 2. So this will be minus 1. My purpose is over. So here I will write x square. For this minus x I will write minus 3x plus 2x. Minus 3x plus 2x. And minus 6. Make the two groups. That is equal to, this is x into x, this is 3 into x. So x is common in this and this. So here x remains. Minus here x is taken, 3 remains. Now what is there? This is plus 2. X. This is 3 into 2. 2 is taken, so minus 3 will remain. Now this and this bracket is common. So x minus 3 into another bracket x plus 2. This is number 2. Now, this part is remaining. This also I will factorize separately. X square minus x minus 2 is equal to. Find the factors of 2 such that their subtraction is minus 1. Here it is 1. So 2 is equal to 2 ones are. Minus 1 I want as the subtraction. So minus 2 plus 1. That is equal to minus 1. So this will be x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. Make the two groups. That is equal to x is common, x into x minus 2 plus 1 is common, x minus 2. And this is equal to, again x minus 2 is common, x minus 2 into another bracket x plus 1. This is your number 3. Hope that you understood. Let me see whether you can see this in the screen. Yes, you can see everything in the screen. So from this I will come here. I will collect all this here. From 1, 2, 3. From 1, 2 and 3. This part. This part is this. So factors of this are x square minus x bracket square minus 8 into x square minus x plus 12 is equal to, its factors are this one and this one, but this is nothing but this. So x minus 3 into x plus 3, 2. For this, these are the factors. X minus 2, x plus 1. That is equal to, we will arrange it. So from where we can arrange? X plus 1 I will arrange. X plus 1 I will take first. Then x plus 2 I will take. Then x minus 2 I will take. And then this x minus 3. If we leave like this, no problem. Hope that you have understood this question. It is an important question. Now the next question I will take. Two, three questions we will solve from this. Then the second one. Second is x minus 5 bracket square minus 5x minus 25 bracket and minus 24. Yes. This is also x minus 5. Why? Here it is 5. So this is equal to x minus 5 bracket square minus 5 I will take out, 5 into x minus 5 5s are 25 minus 24. This is equal to this x minus 5, this is also x minus 5. So m square minus 5m minus 24. Here what I have done? Put x minus 5 is equal to, what is this? I will check the sum. Okay. X minus 5 equal to m. This question you would have solved directly also by expanding this also and by this way also. So I will expand it. That will be better. Not compulsorily that you should expand only and then only you can solve. Okay. So I will go by this by expansion also in the same way. So that is equal to Find the factors of 24 such that their subtraction is 5. 24 is equal to 8 3 the 24. These factors I will take. 12 to the 24 is also there. But their subtraction would not be minus 5. But 8 3 the 24, the subtraction will be 5. I want minus 5. So minus 8 plus 3 is equal to minus 5. So this is equal to m square minus, instead of minus 5m, I will write minus 8m plus 3m minus 24. That is equal to, now make the two groups, m is common, m remains, m minus 8. Plus 3 is common, m, 3 8 is 24. That is equal to m minus 8 into another bracket, m plus 3. And now what is meant by m? M means x minus 5. I will write here x minus 5. X minus 5 minus 8. Into another bracket, x minus 5 plus 3. What is meant by m? M is equal to x minus 5, that's way. That is equal to x minus 13. Into another bracket, x minus 2. That is x minus 2 into x minus 13. That way you can solve. Other way, suppose somebody wants to expand this and then to solve. Yes, that also it can be done. I will show you that. Or way, or a minus b bracket square, a square minus 2ab plus b square means plus 25. A square minus 2ab multiplication and double plus b square. This minus 5x plus 25 minus 24. This is equal to x square. This minus 10 and this minus, this will be minus 15x. This 25, 50. 50 minus 24. So this will be plus 26. So find the factors of 26 such that their addition is minus 15. Addition. So 26, I want to add them and that addition should be minus 15. So 13 2s are. And 13 and 2 is 15. But that addition should be minus. Minus 13 and minus 2. That is equal to minus 15. So work is over. So x square minus 13x minus 2x plus 26. That is equal to, make the two groups. X is common, x minus 13 minus 2 is common, x minus 13 to the 26, and that is equal to x minus 13 is common and into another bracket x minus 2. This way you can complete. So there are two ways for solving this. So the third one I will take. X square minus 6x bracket square. Now this I cannot expand. It doesn't have R. Minus 8 into x square minus 6x plus 8 minus 64. I will take it x square minus 6x bracket square minus 8 x square minus 6x plus 8 and minus 64. So this is equal to, this part is same. So for that I will substitute m. So this part is m, its square, minus 8 into this part is m and plus 8 minus 64. Put x square minus 6x is equal to m. So that is equal to m square minus 8m minus 8 8 the 64 minus 64. That is equal to m square minus 8m and this will be minus 128. find the factors of 128 such that their subtraction is 8. Okay, so 128 is equal to 16 8s. 16 8s are 128. Subtraction, this way I want to subtract, and that subtraction should be minus 8. So minus 16 plus 8 is equal to minus 8. So this is the subtraction because it is the opposite sign. So that is equal to m square minus 16m plus 8m minus 128. That is equal to, make the two groups. M is common, m minus 16 plus 8 is common, m minus 16 8s are, so 16. So that is equal to m minus 16 is common. M minus 16 into another bracket m plus 8. But what is our m? M is x square minus 6x. So this is equal to x square minus 6x for m. This minus 16. Then this is x square minus 6x plus 8. This is number 1. I will factorize this, and then I will put the value over here. Consider x square minus 6x minus 16. Their subtraction. So find the factors of 16 such that their subtraction is minus 6. This is what I want. So 16 is equal to 8 to the 16. Subtraction I want to do of these two. Subtraction means one should have the plus sign, one should have the minus sign. So I will give minus sign to the bigger one. Minus 8 plus 2 is equal to minus 6. That's it. X square minus 8x plus 2x minus 16. Make the two groups and find the common. In this, x is common. Here is also x and here is also x. So this is x into x. X is taken, x will remain. Minus 8 plus 2 is common. X minus 8. 2 8s are 16. So that is equal to, now this is common. X minus 8 into another bracket x plus 2. This is your number 2. Now I will take the third one. This one. Now x square minus 6x plus 8. Find the factors of 8 such that their addition is 6. Addition I want to do. So 8 is equal to 4 into 2. Addition should be minus 6. Addition means both should have the same sign. So minus 4 and minus 2 will be minus 6. So this is equal to x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. So that is equal to, what is common that I will take? X is common, x minus 4 minus 2, x minus 4, 2 4 the 8. This is common. So that is equal to x minus 4 into another bracket x minus 2. This is number 3. So now I will apply 1, 2, 3 and I will find the solution. So here I will write from 1, 2 and 3. Factors of this: x square minus 6x bracket square minus 8 into x square minus 6x plus 8 and last is minus 64 is equal to, what are the factors? These two are the factors. Of this, further these are the factors. So this I will write as x minus 8, x plus 2. And now of this, for this, these are the factors: x minus 4 and x minus 2. Overall, I will arrange the sequence. X minus 2 I will take first, x minus 2. Then I will take x plus 2. Then I will take x minus 4. And then I will take the bigger factor x minus 8 at the last. So hope that you have understood this. So I am rubbing this question. These are very important questions. Now I will change the type. Fifth sum, that is a different type. Y plus 2 into another bracket y minus 2. Then y plus 8 into y plus 3. And last is plus 56. This is the difference. I have to convert into what I have done till now. So if I take these two factors together, the last term will be, see this, these two if I connect together and do the multiplication, y square plus y and minus 6, this will be the multiplication of these two. Y you know, x plus a into another bracket x plus b, the expansion is x square plus a plus b into x plus last term is ab. This way you do. So that is not equal to that one. So I will take the another way. This is not coming. What is coming for this is, for this it is coming x square, y square it is, y square plus y minus 6 for this. And the remaining two for this, what it will come, that I will see. Y square plus 2 plus 8 will be plus 10y and plus 8 to the 16. These two should be same. It is not same. So no use. So I will go for the other. Let me check the question. If it is, if suppose it is wrong, then it will become very difficult. Question is y plus 2 and then it is y minus 3. Here I have taken it wrong. Y minus 3 it should be. Whether the question is given wrongly in the textbook? No, I have written it wrong. So, if I take the group of these two, then it will be y square plus 5y minus 24. For this it will be, so the group would be like this, y plus 2 into y plus 3, this will be one group, and for this y minus 3 and y plus 8 plus 56. If now I solve this, it will be y into y square, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5y plus 3 to the 6. This is the first group. Now this, first term is y square. Now minus 3 plus 8 plus 5y minus 8 3 the 24 and this is plus 56. Now came in our standard form, this will be m, this will be m. So this is equal to m plus 6 into another bracket m minus 24 and plus 56. Now I will multiply. Same way I will multiply. First term is m square plus 6 minus 24 minus 18 m minus 6 into 24, 6 for the 24, 2, 6 to the 12, to 14 minus 142 plus 56, that is equal to m square minus 18m, and this will be minus 8, 6, so this will be again 8, 88. So find the factors of 88 such that their subtraction is minus 18. So this way we have to solve. So 88 factors, see this 88 how I will factorize. 88 by 2 I can divide, 2 4 the, 2 4 the, 2 2 the, 2 2 the, 2 1 the, 1 the, and 11 1 the. I want to subtract, and then the subtraction should be 18. So if I take these two together and these two together, these two will be 4, these two will be 22. So 88 is equal to 22 into 4. If I want to subtract, and that subtraction should be negative, so minus 22 plus 4 is equal to minus 18. My work is over. So what I will do is, I will write this as m square minus 22m plus 4m minus 88. Make the two groups. So that is equal to m is common, m minus 22 plus 4 is common, m minus 22 for the 88, and the factors are m minus 22 and m plus 4. So what is meant by m? Here I have not written what is meant by m. M is y square plus 5y is equal to m. So here I will write y square plus 5y, and next is minus 22. Here again it is y square plus 5y plus 4. Okay, this is our number 1. Let me see whether you can have this on the screen. Yes, you can see till the last. So now one by one I will solve. If find the factors of 22 such that their subtraction is 5, and the factors of 22 are 22 ones are, and another is 11 twos are, and their subtraction cannot be 5. But for this, yes, I can subtract 4, add 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 will be 5. So only this much I will consider, not this, because this is not possible to factorize further. So consider y square plus 5y plus 4. This I will consider. Find the factors of 4 such that their addition is 5. So 4 ones are 4. 4 is equal to 4 ones are. These are the factors. And plus 4 plus 1 is equal to plus 5. So here I will write y square plus 4y plus this 1y plus 4. Two groups. That is equal to y is common, y plus 4 plus 1 is common, y plus 4, and that is equal to y plus 4 is common, remains y plus 1. This is number 2. So here I will write from 1 and 2. Factors of this: y plus 2, y minus 3, y plus 8, y plus 3, plus 56, is equal to, these two factors I will write first and then the last one. So this I will take as y plus 1, y plus 4 and the bigger one y square plus 5y minus 22, y square plus 5y minus 22. So these are the factors for this. Hope that you have understood this and try to understand it properly. The last sum I will see. Let me fill the ink in the pen. By that time you can go through that. The next question, this was the fifth one of question 2. Now let me consider what we can take. Yes, the sixth one is also same, seventh one is different, that we will take x minus 3, x minus 4, bracket square, x minus 5 and minus 6. I have to arrange the pairs. So first of all, this x minus 4 bracket square means x minus 4 into x minus 4. That is equal to x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 4, and this is x minus 5 minus 6. Now arrange such that their addition should be same. If I take this and this, then this minus 3 and minus 5 will be minus 8. This minus 4 and minus 4 will be minus 8. So this way I will arrange. So these two I will keep together, x minus 4, x minus 4. This one group. Another group, x minus 3 and x minus 5. And then minus 6. So that is equal to, the first term is same. So x square. Addition of these two. This is minus 4 and minus 4 minus 8 and x. Now multiplication of these two, multiplication will be plus 16, plus 16. This is one. Another, first is same, so x square. Addition of these two, minus 3 and minus 5 will be minus 8x. And addition of this is here. Now the multiplication, minus 3 and minus 5, minus 3 into minus 5, minus into minus, plus, and 5 3 is 15 and minus 6. Now for this I will put m. So that is equal to m plus 16 into another bracket m plus 15 minus 6. Here I will write, put m is equal to x square minus 8x equal to m. X square minus 8x equal to m. Now I will multiply. First term is same, so m square. Addition of these two, 16 plus 15, 31 m, plus multiplication of these two, 16 5 are 80, 8, 16 1s are 16, 16 plus 8 is 24, 240 minus 6. That is equal to m square plus 31m, and this will be plus 234. 234. Find the factor of 234 such that their addition is plus 31. So I will factorize them. 234 I will factorize. By 2 I can divide. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 7s are. Then whether I can divide by 3 or not, yes, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 is in the table of 3. So I can divide the whole number by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. Again by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are and 13 1s are. I want their addition to be 31. If I take this 13 to the 26 and 9. 26 plus 9 will be 36. 35. That won't do. Let me check the sum first. Because I am expert in taking the wrong questions. Okay, correct it is. Correct. So, by this addition is coming 35. No, that won't do. So, I will change it. If I take these 3 together, these 3 3s are 9, 9 to the 18, and this one single 13. 13 plus 18 is 31. Okay, I got it. So 234 factors are 18 into 13. I want to add them, and that addition should be means plus 18 plus 13 is equal to plus 31. My work is over. So this is equal to, what is that? M square plus 18m plus 13m plus 234. So that is equal to, make the two groups. It will be m common, m plus 18 plus 13 is common, m plus 18. 18 into 13 is 234. So this is equal to m plus 18 into another bracket m plus 13. So whether I can write below, whether you can see it. No, you can't see it. So I will go here. Here I will come. So that is equal to, what is mean by m? M means x square minus 8x. So x square minus 8x. This m means. And plus 18. Plus 18. Another, this also m. M means x square minus 8x. X square minus 8x. And plus is 13. This is your number 1. So whether this is possible, I will check it. 9 to the 18. 18 means 9 into 2. 9 plus 2 will be 11. No. So 6 3 is 18. 6 into 3. 6 plus 3, 9. No. So I don't have the factors for this. See this 18 factor. 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Now make any two groups. 9, this 9 and 2. It will not be 8. So this cannot be factorized. This cannot be factorized. 13th factor whose addition is minus 8, not possible. So this is the answer. Therefore, x minus 3, x minus 4 bracket square, and x minus 5 minus 6 is equal to, its factors are x square minus 8x plus 18, and another is x square minus 8x plus 13. So this will be the final answer for this. If there is anything wrong, you just can have a check on it, but I don't feel there is anything wrong. So hope that you have understood this. Now this question is over. Remaining 1 or 2 questions I will leave it to you, and the lesson is also completed. So the problem set you can do at home. Good night all of you.